Imagine this. You're at work. You open your email and click a link that looks completely normal. Nothing strange happens. Everything still works fine. But in the background, someone just got access to your company's network. And they don't rush. They move slowly, quietly, from one computer to another, until they find exactly what they're looking for. This is how most real cyber attacks actually happen. Not fast, not obvious, but step by step. Let's break it down. Hackers first need a way into the network. This is called initial access. One of the most common methods is phishing. That's when a hacker sends a fake email that looks real, maybe from your bank, your company, or a trusted service. When you click the link, you might enter your password on a fake website, or download a file that secretly installs malware. And just like that, the attacker gains access to your system. This single mistake becomes the entry point into the entire network. Once inside, hackers don't immediately steal data. First, they observe and explore. They scan the network to answer questions like, what computers are connected? Where are the servers? Which systems have weak security? This process is called reconnaissance. It's like a thief walking through a building at night, mapping doors, cameras, and exits before taking anything. The more they understand the network, the easier it becomes to move around unnoticed. After mapping the network, hackers begin lateral movement. Instead of attacking everything directly, they move step by step from one system to another. They often steal login credentials from infected machines, then use those credentials to access other computers. Because the access looks like a normal user login, it often goes unnoticed. This is what makes lateral movement so dangerous. The attacker blends in and slowly gains more control. At this point, hackers are inside multiple systems. Now they start searching for valuable data. They're not interested in random files. They're looking for things like customer information, passwords, financial records, company secrets. They may search through databases, internal systems, and shared folders. Sometimes this process takes hours, sometimes days, because the goal is simple: find the most valuable data without being detected. Once the target is found, the next step is data exfiltration. That means moving the data out of the network. But hackers don't just download everything at once. That would be easy to detect. Instead, they often send small amounts of data over time, disguise it as normal internet traffic, or encrypt it so it looks harmless. To security systems, it may look like regular activity, but in reality, sensitive data is slowly being stolen. Here's the ironic part. Sometimes the biggest security weakness is not advanced hacking tools. It's simple things like, remind me later on a software update. That tiny delay might leave a known vulnerability open. And for a hacker, that's all they need. So here's the big picture. A cyber attack is not just one action. It's a process. Get in, stay hidden, move across systems, find valuable data, and quietly take it out. And the scariest part? Most of this happens without anyone noticing. Understanding how it works is the first step to stopping it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of complex technology. And don't forget to like and share the video. And next, we'll show you how to actually protect yourself from these attacks step by step. See you in the next video.